Hi guys, today we're going to show you a very cool product. It's a crystal gear shift lever from Cartrimhome. As you can see, we have the crystal on the top, and we have a LED light all around the shifter, which circulates through different colors. Also, try to show you, the RAV4 logo is being illuminated as well. Looks really nice. On the sides we have the wood imitation, so it looks like wood, the trim. There is another option available on the website, which is carbon fiber, but in this case we decided to install this one because this vehicle doesn't have any more carbon fiber inserts in the cabin. Our first impression is that this is a high quality product. It matches the original handle exactly, so when we did installation it did fit perfectly. It comes with its own metallic pin and fits in place of the original. And as you can see, we have the button here which allows us to switch gears, and I'll show you right now. Reverse gear, neutral, drive. No issues whatsoever. It works exactly as the OEM handle. Right now I will show you how it looks like at night. I will turn on the power, and as I said, as you can see, the RAV4 logo is illuminated, and besides that we have this LED all around the light. As I said, it does change colors. Right now it's red. It will switch between red, green, blue, purple. Right now it has turned to blue, and now it matches the rest of the interior. I'm not sure if this can be controlled, the circulation of the lights. This is something we'll have to figure out, but for now it just keeps going through all of them slowly. Our demonstration is complete. One more look. I'll show you guys around again how it looks. If you are interested, I will leave the link in the description. Check it out. And right now I will show you how the installation was done. Right now we will remove the original shifter. For that, first we have to turn on the power and switch the shifter into neutral. This way it will be easier for us to remove it once this panel comes off. Pull the boot down and you will see a small metallic pin here, which can be removed by using the pliers like this. And now you can remove the handle itself. The next step for our installation is to remove the plastic panel. And we will also remove the tray. Well, in some trims it's a wireless charger. Here is our new shifter. I'll show you guys. As you can see, it should fit RAV4s from 19 through 2022. I believe it won't fit Prime, but should fit all the other models. Here it is. We have the shifter and the wiring. Besides that, we have the cloth for cleaning, and we have this piece. The new wiring comes with the extra fuse right here. This one protects the internal illumination inside the new shifter. What we need to do next is to pull the wire through the boot. And now it is going to be connected in parallel to the cigarette lighter socket. So you need to remove this connector. And you will connect this end from the new wiring to the cigarette lighter socket, and the other end will get connected to the original wire in the vehicle. This way now both the cigarette lighter socket and the new handle gets power. You can reinstall the tray now. And now you can reinstall this panel. Now, in order to install the handle, we need to remove the metallic pin, and the good thing is this set already comes with its own metallic pin, which means that if you order this one, you will actually have an extra pin which you can use. Now you can install the new handle, and don't forget to install the pin. And installation is pretty much done. We already can see the LED both on the sides, and the RAV4 sign is illuminated as well. Let's see if it's functional. Yes, it is. The button on the back works perfectly. This part wasn't used for this installation, but it's good that it is here, because I'm not sure if you can tell, but it looks like it's exactly the same as the OEM one, which is located right between the boot and the shift lever. So if you do some other installation or you break it somehow, you can easily use this one. As you can see, the new part is exactly the same as the OEM, which again is good in case if you need a spare. Our installation is complete. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this product, I will leave the link in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.